if your internet suddenly stopped working on your Windows computer. Don't panic just yet. A lot of the time, the issue is actually caused by a small network glitch or a problem with your Wi-Fi adapter. So first, let's try resetting your network settings completely. Open your Start menu and search for Settings, then open it. From the left side, click on Network and Internet. Now scroll down a little and tap on Advanced Network Settings. Keep scrolling until you find Network Reset. What this does is basically refresh all of your network connections, Wi-Fi settings, adapters, and internet configurations back to default. It can fix a lot of weird connection issues automatically. Tap Reset now, then confirm by pressing Yes. Your computer may restart after this, so give it a moment. Now, if your internet is still not working after the reset, there's one more thing you should try. Resetting the Wi-Fi adapter itself. Go back to the Start menu and search for Device Manager, then open it. Inside Device Manager, look for Network Adapters and click the small arrow next to it to expand the list. Here you'll see all of the network devices connected to your computer. Find your Wi-Fi adapter. Usually it will include words like wireless, Wi-Fi, or WLAN. Right-click on it and tap Disable Device. Don't worry, this is temporary. Wait a few seconds. Then right-click it again and choose Enable Device. This refreshes the adapter completely and can instantly fix connection problems caused by bugs or driver glitches. And one more quick tip. If you're still having issues, restart both your computer and your Wi-Fi router. Sometimes the simplest fix actually works best. Hopefully your internet is back up and running now.